Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need the basics ready: updated app, compatible OS, and an active account. Once done, open the app and go directly to the features or beta section. Don't linger on settings. Tap the new Genmoji sign-up or opt-in toggle, then follow the short verification prompts. Make sure to enable notifications so you get the release notice. You're starting the enrollment now because immediate opt-in improves your chance to receive access early. Once enrolled, navigate to the Genmoji Creation Hub and complete any mandatory profile details. This data personalizes results. Grant camera and microphone permissions so the generator can capture expressions and mouth movements. Then pick style presets, animation speed, color palette, and expression intensity, and upload or capture a reference image for accuracy. Make sure to preview several frames. Iterative previews let you refine look and timing. If results look off, redo the capture with better lighting. You're at the finish line. Select your preferred export format and resolution, then render the Genmoji. Save a master copy to cloud storage and a compressed copy for sharing. Make sure auto backup is enabled. Once exported, test the file in the destination app to confirm compatibility. If the process stalls or you don't receive access, first confirm your account is fully verified and the app is updated. If that fails, reapply to the waitlist or contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.